Welcome to Bestsellers Market. I'm delighted to have you here today. We have an exciting countdown for you, featuring the best-selling brush and pen cleaners on Amazon. These products have earned their place at the top, thanks to their outstanding performance and rave reviews from satisfied customers. So without further ado, let's dive in and discover which brush and pen cleaners have made it to our prestigious list. Stay tuned as we unveil these top-rated products, each designed to keep your brushes and pens in perfect condition. Let's get started. Number 5 on our countdown of the best-selling brush and pen cleaners on Amazon is the Paintbrush Cleaner, an upgraded 5-in-1 marvel that's revolutionizing the painting experience for artists of all ages. Imagine a tool that seamlessly integrates functionality and convenience, allowing you to wash your paint supplies effortlessly while organizing your brushes with an inbuilt holder. One-click water circulation and a 500 milliliters large water storage area ensure you can pour out dirty water with ease, letting you stay fully immersed in your creative process without any disruptions. Crafted from premium ABS plastic, this paintbrush cleaner stands out with its durability and sturdiness, outperforming the ordinary PP plastic used by others. It's a tool designed to last, providing long-term protection and maintenance for your precious paintbrushes. Plus, it's free from any peculiar odors, making it safe and healthy for kids. The perfect gift for painting lovers, this innovative cleaner is ideal for children, painters, teachers, and anyone with a passion for painting. Its practical design and great portability mean you can take it anywhere, ready to create whenever inspiration strikes. Experience the freedom of uninterrupted painting creativity. Say goodbye to frequent water changes and hello to a continuous flow of artistic expression. Conserve precious water resources while fully immersing yourself in your work. No more interruptions, just pure artistic inspiration. Whether you're a professional artist or a passionate hobbyist, our 5-in-1 brush rinser is the perfect companion on your artistic journey. Elevate your artwork, streamline your creative process, and let your imagination run wild. Bring your artistic vision to life like never before with this versatile and indispensable tool. At number 4 in our countdown of the best-selling brush and pen cleaners on Amazon, we have the Paintbrush Cleaner Rinse Cup, an all-in-one solution designed for fine art, studio use, and classrooms. Imagine a tool so versatile, it caters to kids, hobbyists, and professional artists alike. This multi-purpose brush cleaner is perfect for acrylics, watercolors, and all water-based paints, making it an essential companion for every creative environment. What sets this rinse cup apart? It's the built-in brush holder, a flexible silicone lid with strategically placed resting areas both inside and outside the cup. Whether your brushes are rinsing or resting, this lid ensures they're securely held. The outer brush holders keep your brushes upright, allowing them to dry off while protecting your workspace from the mess of wet paint. But that's not all. The bottom of the rinse cup features a silicone bristle cleaner, specifically designed to remove paint gently without damaging your brush's soft bristles. This thoughtful design ensures your brushes stay in pristine condition, ready for your next masterpiece. The wide water catcher bottom is another brilliant feature, providing stability and preventing spills. It collects excess water and paint, keeping your workspace clean and safe. No more worrying about water damage or paint splatters. Just focus on your art. And when it comes to maintenance, it couldn't be easier. This brush cleaning dish is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Spend less time scrubbing and more time painting. Transform your creative process with the Paintbrush Cleaner Rinse Cup, a tool designed to enhance your artistic experience, keep your brushes in top condition, and maintain a tidy workspace. It's a game changer for artists of all levels, bringing convenience and efficiency to every brushstroke. Taking the 3rd spot in our countdown of the best-selling brush and pen cleaners on Amazon is the US Art Supply Brush Cleaner and Restorer. This 16-ounce powerhouse is your ultimate solution for rejuvenating brushes, airbrushes, and all your essential art tools. Picture this: a high-performance cleaner that tackles even the most stubborn dried-on acrylic, oil, gouache, inks, and water-based paints with ease. No more discarding brushes that seem beyond hope. This cleaner brings them back to life, ready for reuse time and again. What makes this product stand out? Its sheer effectiveness. Whether you're dealing with brushes clogged with paint or airbrushes suffering from buildup, this cleaner handles it all. Simply soak your brushes as needed, and then watch as the softened residue wipes away effortlessly with a cloth, knife, or toothbrush. Within minutes to hours, your brushes will be free of dried acrylic, oil, and water-based paint. For those particularly tough cases, a 24-hour soak works wonders, ensuring even the most encrusted bristles are restored. Using the U.S. Art Supply brush cleaner and restorer is straightforward. After cleaning, just wash your brushes with mild soap and water, reshape the bristles, and they're good to go. It's not just for brushes, though. For airbrushes, fill the airbrush cup with cleaner and spray between color changes, and immediately after use. For dried paint, soak the affected parts overnight. Just remember, never submerge the entire airbrush. This premium cleaner is more than just a cleaning solution. It's an investment in your art supplies. Keeping your tools in top condition means they last longer, saving you money and ensuring you're always ready to create. Whether you're a professional artist or a passionate hobbyist, the U.S. Art Supply Brush Cleaner and Restorer is an essential addition to your toolkit. Restore, rejuvenate, and keep creating with confidence. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling brush and pen cleaners on Amazon? Well, don't brush it off. Make sure to sweep the like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss a stroke of genius. Number 2 on our countdown of the best-selling brush and pen cleaners on Amazon is the 2024 upgraded Paintbrush Cleaner Brush Rinser. This multifunctional marvel is a must-have for artists of all levels, combining efficiency, convenience, and environmental friendliness into one compact design. Imagine a tool that not only cleans your brushes, but also serves as a color palette and brush holder. With dimensions of 7.25 x 3.35 x 6 inches and weighing just 0.41 pounds, it's incredibly portable. The paintbrush cleaner includes a 250 milliliters clean water bottle and a generous 500 milliliters wastewater reservoir to prevent overflow, ensuring your workspace stays tidy and organized. One of its standout features is the innovative water recycling system. At the push of a button, dirty water is swiftly collected and fresh water dispensed, making the cleaning process twice as efficient. This means less time spent on cleanup and more time dedicated to your creative pursuits. No assembly is required. It's ready to use straight out of the box. Made from high-quality ABS material, this brush cleaner is durable and safe, compatible with a wide range of paints including acrylic, watercolor, egg tempera, gouache, and other water-based mediums. It's the perfect gift for anyone with a passion for painting, students, kids, teachers, artists, and art lovers alike. Its lightweight, portable design makes it ideal for use in classrooms, art studios, pottery studios, homes, or even outdoors. Plus, it's environmentally friendly. By using only a small amount of water to clean brushes, it reduces water consumption by 10 times. The 250 milliliters freshwater bottle can handle approximately 30 cleanings without frequent water changes, adding to its convenience and eco-friendly appeal. Experience the 2024 upgraded Paintbrush Cleaner Brush Rinser, a tool designed to streamline your artistic process, keep your workspace clean, and support your creativity. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, this brush cleaner is an indispensable addition to your art supplies, helping you focus on what you do best, creating beautiful art. Finally, at number 1 in our countdown of the best-selling brush and pen cleaners on Amazon, we have the Masters Brush Cleaner and Preserver by General Pencil Company. This 2.5 ounces wonder is a game-changer for artists everywhere, designed to keep your brushes in pristine condition with unparalleled ease and effectiveness. Imagine the frustration of dried-on paints and stubborn stains clinging to your favorite brushes. Now, picture a solution that effortlessly removes these residues, breathing new life into your trusted tools. The Masters Brush Cleaner and Preserver does just that. Crafted in the USA, this specially formulated cleaner not only removes tough acrylics and watercolors, but also preserves the integrity of your brushes, making them look and feel like new. Whether you're an artist working with acrylics, watercolors, or other mediums, this brush cleaner is your go-to companion. Its compact size makes it perfect for both studio and travel, ensuring your brushes are always ready for your next masterpiece. The magic lies in its simplicity and efficiency. No more wrestling with dried paint or dealing with deteriorating brush bristles. With the Masters Brush Cleaner and Preserver, maintenance is a breeze, extending the life and performance of your brushes significantly. Imagine dipping your brush into this cleaner and watching as the remnants of past projects melt away, leaving your brush as good as new. It's not just a cleaner, it's a preserver. It maintains the quality of your brushes, ensuring that each stroke is as precise and smooth as the first. This level of care and attention to your tools allows you to focus entirely on your art, free from the distractions of inadequate equipment. Experience the top-tier performance of the Masters Brush Cleaner and Preserver, a trusted name among artists. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your artistic journey, this brush cleaner is an essential addition to your toolkit. Keep your brushes looking their best and performing impeccably, project after project. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling brush and pen cleaners on Amazon. To stay up to date with all the top products, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products featured today. Until next time, thank you and see you soon.